Alright, so we're back with another reaction.
How about the 4 door with the 4 like a 1, 2, 3 and a 4.
Go, 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 go.
So, this is basically Jigsaw's final game. It's a parody by Oddest of the Odd, and it's a Jigsaw final game.
We reacted to their Dragon Ball Z one, Majin Buu.
That's a true story.
Which was the other one that we reacted to?
It doesn't matter.
Okay?
We did that like centuries ago.
Yeah, but we have the same humorism.
And basically what we're trying to say is that, guys, you guys retweeted us before. We would like 20% of your views.
Guys, both of us suck at getting views, alright? Let's start supporting each other.
Oh, no, 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 no.
So please retweet this video. We'll take 20% of your views. We'll compensate you with 10% of our dollars, which is about 10
shift
cents.
Shift over here, shift over there.
It's a 1/10 of a cent, alright? Don't say 10 cents.
We'll accumulate it in about 10 years.
Start the video.
We'll give you guys the penny you deserve.
Video. Start the video.
Alright, let's watch it. Let's watch it.
Put the volume up.
It is up, you dummy.
What's going on?
Oh, man. Whoa, was that
They got little Mamba guy in this.
Dwarf Mamba?
Dwarf Mamba. Hashtag Logan Paul. Shop.com.
Hashtag. What is that attached to? That better not be attached to his things.
You see it, man.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it's attached to his nipples. Oh no, his arm.
Oh, God.
That guy's in the worst position.
He's just staring at a wall.
That dude can get abused right now.
Should we be quiet so we can listen?
Oh,
Hey! I'm in the room next door. I can hear you guys. You hear me? Is there someone next door? Whoa! Who would do this to us?
That guy is the biggest freak outside. What the heck?
I want to play a game.
What do you mean a game? What the fuck?
What's his face?
I feel like I'm just shit.
For years, you have abused your talents by creating graphic videos, victimizing certain people
jacked.
and trends. YouTube has turned you all into monsters, but that changes today. The rules are simple. First, I will demonetize this video by playing my theme song.
What's he saying?
There is a handgun in the center of the room with 1 bullet in the chamber. Use it wisely. You will have 60 seconds to escape, or else a deadly toxin will be released into the room,
Oh, no.
killing you all.
Oh, fuck! Smells like ass!
There's only one key that will set you free. Here's a clue.
I mean, he probably has experience smelling that considering he's down.
Wait, where's the key?
I
It is.
think the key's in my ass.
How do you figure out right then and there? Why did you get the
He
hunch?
did a little movement and then he figured it out.
Oh god.
Basically, he says 60 seconds.
How is he
He
gonna
wants
take...
us to stick our hands in Coop's ass. Nope, fuck that. Bullshit! We make videos to entertain people! Shit! No!
Someone already going. Oh, he's shooting! Get up, man! He's shooting! Diarrhea explosion. This guy's got 70 miles per hour winds down there.
Stick my hand up his ass! No! One of you two are fucking doing
He
it.
has the smallest hands.
Guys, I don't mean to be that guy, but you only got 60 seconds.
Crying.
Why is that guy in a cage?
Not me. No, hard pass. I'll shove my hand up his ass. I'm gonna just pick up the ball.
That's what you call a trooper right there.
I'm doing that.
Why does he have a gun?
He got 1 bullet.
Well, it ain't me.
Forget this, man.
Not worth it.
He's out of the debate. He's out of the debate. He's like, forget this.
You didn't even ask me.
I'm gonna die.
What made him have the diarrhea explosion? Is this the key?
We're running out of time. You have
Oh, you're gonna shove his face in it. Watch.
Alright.
Do it, man.
Oh, I'm actually crying. Like, literally, me too.
Take one for the team. Dwarf Mamba.
Get off the ground, right? Get off the ground!
Oh, it's over.
Oh,
Someone's gotta do it, man.
Oh, little man's done. Whoa.
That's what the gas did to him.
It's gotta take a little more gas to take this
He
one.
doesn't have to do it himself.
Come on. Come on.
He has the best expressions, man.
Hurry up, man. You got enough time.
I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it!
He's gonna die when he does it.
Oh, shoot! Fatality!
I got it!
He's gonna pull his poop out.
No!
This is disgusting, man. I can't watch this. YouTube's gonna flake us for this, man.
Okay, I'm gonna pull it out. Wait,
He's done.
what is that? What is it?
Time's up, man.
What is it?
Hello, Ryan, Cortland, and Little Ryan, or as they call you, Oddest of the Odd. You were probably expecting to find a key, but the rules were simple. Following them would have led to your freedom. You're probably wondering why this is happening. You all made a choice, and that's the reason you're here. Capturing you all was easy. Except for Ryan. How long until someone can take so much ridicule before they snap?
Pumping him up.
Okay.
You always thought I was so dumb, but that's what made it so perfect.
Wait, it was him?
Whoa.
The guy
You
who...
always said my parts
The guy
were
who...
deadly. Huh, like deadly gas? Or like my deadly ass?
Turn around, man. He's
Time
probably like,
always made
he's
the
gone.
butt of the joke in every video. But now who's the joke? Now who's laughing?
Well, he still got some guy's
Will
hand
you
stuck
stick
up
your
his butt.
head in your best
wanted
friend's
that.
ass in order to save yourself? Or will you be the selfish assholes you really are?
Oh, man. These guys bleed easy.
What are you talking about? You hit him with concrete.
You know why. He's so nasty. It's like his sole purpose is to shit himself every day. Dude, there's something wrong with that guy.
Y'all talking about Coops? That guy is smelly.
You guys made me into a smelly
Oh,
freak.
man. They messed with the wrong guy.
This was a long time coming, man.
Studying the Saw films with
God.
He's so
He
red.
stuck it up his own butt. Look at him.
Why'd you have to go that far, man?
Ryan,
How did you have to bring the thing up? He went through the shirt. He played the
Oh my god.
What was the point of this? I don't get it.
his ass the whole time. He wants us to
I don't get the point, though.
Ew!
What are you doing?
Stop! What the heck?
stay in these movies.
Get some towels, man.
Ew! Ew!
Foot, you dummy.
So nasty.
water, though.
I don't know if it was.
Who it was?
Stop coming out of your nose and ears and stuff.
Ew! That's so...
Been in here for a while now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Oh, I can't even step over
No,
this.
it's right here. I'm on it.
I'm gonna go right here.
I'm on it.
Whoops.
I don't know what he's saying.
He said thanks for watching the video or something.
That was so good on so many levels.
That was good.
That was, I think, the best video I've ever seen.
They got
Exploded or something.
they got all our jokes.
Literally, that was our humor. So if you guys didn't laugh, you guys need help.
If you guys didn't like this video, you're not gonna like us ever.
So, like, subscribe, hit the notification
I just
button.
wonder
comment,
why this
subscribe, like.
Why was this never an actual Saw movie? That's the question.
this is better than like most Saw movies.
They could have used this. These guys executed this.
I still don't get the idea, though. Like, did he want someone to stick
He
his hand up?
He
Those
was
guys-
always the butt of the jokes.
Yes.
No pun intended.
literally,
He was the guy who was always
He should have
farting.
put it in someone else's butt.
but he wanted it.
I think he wanted it.
He wanted it.
No, he should have put tape recorders in each person's butt. and then make the dwarf the last one.
That's a sequel right there.
They're dead.
You
Did
just
not
wrote.
see that?
Oh,
The guy
yeah.
shot himself. You think he's coming back for a sequel?
Oh god.
You think he's still on contract or something?
I guess not.
Anyway,
Get out
our
of there,
trial
man.
and error, where our trial is your error.
Sign up for our trial right now. We promise you some errors.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe.
What the?
Ew!
What are you doing?
Stop!
Get some towels, man.
Ew! Ew!